Hey everyone, if your Discord screen share is lagging, freezing, or showing low quality in 2026, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to fix Discord screen share lag issues. First, check your internet connection. Weak or unstable. Wi-Fi is one of the main reasons for screen share lag. Next, lower your stream quality. Switching from 1080p to 720p or lower can make streaming much smoother. Now, disable hardware acceleration in Discord settings. This often fixes freezing and performance issues during screen sharing. After that, close background apps. Heavy programs like browsers or games can use CPU and slow everything down. Next, check your voice channel region. Using a far or overloaded region can increase latency and lag. Now update your graphics drivers and Discord app. Outdated software can cause compatibility issues with screen sharing. Finally, use windowed mode instead of full screen. This helps improve stability and reduces lag during streaming. So yeah, that's how you fix Discord screen share lag in 2026. Follow each step carefully and your screen sharing should become smooth and stable again. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more Discord tutorials for fast and easy fixes. Hey everyone.